Remove the Phillips screw from the pre-installed fiber holder using our SD-41 precision screwdriver. Next, remove the fiber holder and set aside. Then simply place your magnetic fiber holder in the same slot. And that's it. On your Fusion splicer, open the wind cover and locate the 2 Phillips screws on your pre-installed fiber holders. Remove both with our SD-41 precision screwdriver and set aside. Next, simply place your magnetic fiber holders, aligning the holes to the pins on your splicer. You are now able to use Jonard Tools magnetic fiber holders to transfer between cleaver and splicer smoothly and seamlessly.